How to change Gmail phone number in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to change the Gmail phone number in your mobile, you can just launch any of these Gmail associated application. Here I'm going for Play Store, and as I launch the Play Store, I'm going to tap on the search bar, or rather the profile at the top right corner, and then select on manage your Google account. As you tap on manage your Google account, it will take us to a new page where you can see the option of personal info. So just tap on it. Now just scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the phone number over here. So just tap on the phone number, and as you tap on phone number, you'll be able to see your phone number already verified over here. If you want to change it, just tap on it, and you can just delete this number or remove number over here. And as you remove this number, you can just tap on add now again, and as you tap on add now, you can just verify yourself over here, and then you can re-enter the phone number that you want to associate over here in a Gmail account. So you can just tap on add now and add your phone number over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.